Welcome guys, welcome to online learning box. And you can see this is Adobe Illustrator, and this is my all of this recent illustrations. And now in this class I'm going to demonstrate you how to create a egg realistic egg, and more about of this thing. Let's start without wasting your valuable time. Here you can see this is a tools panel, and I'm take here the ellipse tools and shortcut here, yeah, of its L. So just drag it just like this. Now here you can clearly see I'm just taking it more about thicker stroke. So here this is a egg. Now with the help of the direct selection tool, and when you click any of this anchor point with the help of direct selection tool, you can see this is a handle, and with this handle when you drag it, when it up some up arrow with the help of up arrow or mouse. Here I'm doing with my mouse. Okay, so it's the shape of the egg. Now what I'm going to do here, just selecting both of the all of these things. Now the color of egg. Now you can go to Google and go to the egg color, egg color. So you can see this is a color, and this is a color, and we are going to take this a color. I think this a color should be better. Copy this image, okay, uh, and paste it over here. So see, in this egg you can clearly see this. I'm going to demonstrate here. The light comes here. Okay, this is the light portion. Light drop here and elaborate and spread from this. So if you go for this egg, you can do this, no problem. Here what we need to do, just for this color, and with the help of eyedropper tool, just I'm taking this color. So it's very nice color of egg, I think that. So after that, let's say here you can see this light dropping here. So create a circle, and now over here this circle should be like this. Put it here, and with the help of this curvature pen tool, I love this curvature pen tool because it's give me a freedom. Okay, with the help of eyedropper tool, see here some tricky part. You need to chop some opacity, so it's looking some natural look. It will give you some natural look. So here is this your egg process, and see what we are going to do. Just where you can take some, just give me some time to think the light portions. Okay, just we need to think that about light. So just thinking about this light portions. Okay, Okay, uh, now what we can do about this type of illustrations, we need to drop another circle over here. So with the help of pen tool, just dropping down this portions, and now with the help of this portions, this portions, and just making it a curve. So don't worry about this part, I will definitely remove this part here. So with the help of this tool, direct selection tool, you can definitely control the handle of this curve, okay, and make it show that it's a perfect cycle. And I'm not going to make it a perfect cycle, just a curve, okay, easy curve. That's for the making something more realistic. So here our now give it like this, okay. Now what I'm going to do, just take all of these things. Now with the help of this tool, shape builder tool, I'm removing this extra part. So we have got these portions, but I'm not happy with this curve. So control Z, and now what I'm going to do, just okay. Now I think that this may be good. Okay, okay. Now with the help of this tool, shape builder tool, I'm deleting this extra part. To delete this extra part, let's delete now. Now another wave we need to create. So I'm taking it just here and just from this opacity, increasing this opacity. Now it's 100% and there's a 25% now. Decreasing and increasing this opacity here, and just I'm not think that's looking good. So it's not looking good here. So I think that should be looking good here now. So now we need to drop another curve here. So taking with Alt, hitting Alt, holding sorry, here Control pasted font. Now hitting the Alt. Now something like this. It's more bigger than this the previous curve. So I think that's will be better. Now down this opacity is more. Now you can see I'm just going to delete this extra things, but I'm not happy with this curve. Now what we are going to do with this curve, just taking like this, okay. Now hit Alt, okay, and take it here. Now get this button from here, okay, nice. Now what we can do, copy pasted font. Now after reflect, okay. Now preview mode on, just making like this, and just move it up. Okay, now this point is not necessary here. It's not necessary here. Just delete this one. Okay. Okay. Now what I'm going to do here, just making it more funny type of look. So not just a eye. If we going to make it eye, just doing this here. It's a eye, and now down something like that. Okay, now we can cut it by the help of shape builder tool. With the help of shape builder tool, cut it here, and no strokes. Okay, only fill. And now just putting a, now with the help of a little bit of this color, and now completely trying to make some funny design. Okay, okay, now our I think that should be like this, and it should be something blackish. Okay, now if we put it here, over here, now another, put it over here with the help of alt button. Now if we put both of these things, okay, now we need to group it with the help of shift button, group it, and here our funny illustrations is almost completed. Now one things we need to do here with the help of this funny illustrations, now it's almost completed, but here is the most tricky part. Now please listen and watch carefully what I'm going to do here. Just I'm not cutting anything here, just you can see this overlapping, so it's not very good to cut anything else. If we try to cut, it's overlapping may just destroy. Now what I'm going to do here, expand appearance, go to this options, and now expanding everything, and it's now it's a object, it's not no more in paths form, it's a now it's a object. Now what I'm going to do, after making it so objects, another time expand appearance, now expanding everything. Now just I'm selecting this portions, and with the help of eraser tool I'm just deleting, going to delete this extra part, because I need this part for making mouth, smiling face. So just delete this one, delete this one and delete this portions. Now if you sorry, here I'm making a mess here, so just a little bit of smaller. Now you can see this is a selected part, so if you try to remove this one, it's not removing because I'm just want to remove this part. Okay, and now overlapping side is now helping me to work on it. So I'm just deleting this extra part, it's not necessary here, so extra part should be deleted. Now with the help of this tool, live paint bucket, now I'm changing this color here, and this color should be like this. Okay, now paint bucket tool, test it. So this is a nice curve. We can found this nice curve. Now we can do another things here for making the teeth portions, or see, this is a nice thing. uh, thing. Okay, now this is extra part. Now I'm going to use this portions, but it's not helpful here. So another time select this one and this one. See, uh, this part is not helpful. If we go for this part, dividing everything, this is, and see, check it out what happened here. One time, check it out what happened here. This is a extra part is not separated from this mouth part. Okay, so I'm just uh, showing you how you can rectify, how can you use these basic tools for your design, making more interesting. So I'm just selecting this one, and with the help of this eraser tool, just small, just this opacity down, just I, I can see, clearly see, I need to remove, sorry, here it's a little bit messy. I'm just using my tab here, so it's an object, so underneath of this object, so need to fix this carefully, and don't worry about this up upper portion. So now select this one and delete this one, it is not necessary. Now selecting it's a copy and hit it, paste it font. Okay, now here we have two things occur. I'm not going to use this portions here, so delete this portion. So control Z, control Z, control Z here. So here you can see this portions, you can, sorry, you can see this portions, ungrouping this one. After ungrouping, you can see this is a separate part. Now this portions, I need this portions, copy paste it font, and now see what happened. Let's say, so I need to fix this one. Okay, this one. Now ungrouping everything. After ungrouping, copy paste it font. Now control shift to help of shift, it's not working here, so I need this line. So ungrouping this one and ungrouping once more, so to this. So this is our main thing what we need to cover these portions. So what we can do now, we can grouping everything and paste it over here for hiding this uncurvy part, so uneven part of this teeth. So it's height now, it's very nicely height. And now this part, what we are going to do here, just taking another thing, and at this time joining everything. After joining, this is the part. Now it's a little bit of darker portions, it's a little darker portions. So here we need to check. Okay, this is working. Okay, now see, this is another time, hit another time. There's a nice curve we can found. This is here, nice curve. So this is another time, joint everything here. You can see now with the help of shift tool, selecting all of these things. Now alt, okay, another time. Okay, it's hiding it. Always try to hide this uneven part. So here some things you need to change. You need to make it more realistic, more cartoonistic style. So join everything. Now after joining, this is some black for the shadow purpose. I think shadow. Now selecting, so hit it here, and now okay, now see, yes, this is nice. Okay, now another kind of the lower part of this tree should be like this. And now join everything, put over here, and now selecting this one and this one, and cut the extra part, cut extra part. Okay, not very hard. Okay, so it's not a rocket science. You can do and play with this. So just try and realize your tools, how to use this basic tool to your innovative ideas, to form your innovative ideas. So here I'm just selecting this portions here, and now alt, hit the alt, hit here now. Okay, now it's looking good. Okay, now what I'm going to do, just taking these things and now join everything, and with this one, this this one with the help of Alt, Shape Builder tool and Alt. Now copy post-it font and up. So our mouth illustrations is almost done. But before all of these things, I'm just uh, is it necessary? No, I think it should be like this for the cartoonic expressions. Should be like this, and I'm going to join this one. Okay, here. So this is should be the red one. Okay, and now it's the most tricky part. I need to fix this one. This tricky part. It's like this. Okay. Now Control Z, making everything mess. Mess. So fixing the mess. Okay. Okay. Now for this part, I'm just with the help of this tool, pen tool. Pen tool is a very famous tool in Adobe Illustrator and all of the Adobe product. Okay. uh, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop, pen tool is very important. So uh, remember one thing, that if you are going to Adobe software expert or graphic designer expert, you uh, have some knowledge of this pen tool. How to use this pen tool is very necessary. So believe me, it's lots of time taking things, and our upcoming video will definitely listen about all of this tricky part, tricky things. Okay, if you think that video is very helpful, please like me, which is give me some inspirations. Okay, so here's some tricky one. So here's some for this uh, just for making some realistic effect. So it's something like that. uh, Now grouping everything, now put it here. See, this is a nice egg, a smiling egg, uh, showing his or her tongue. Okay, so for this the last step, what I'm going to do, just for making this it's a cartoon illustrations or cartoon design. Just here, sorry, it's not okay. I think that should be enough. No, okay, so okay, it should be better. Copy pasted font, Now transform, reflect, hit OK. Okay, now it's almost done, but here you can okay the nice carve like this, but here some settings, remember this modify settings, so you need to on for making this more smooth curve, making more smooth curve. So here it's a type of cartoon illustrations, cartoon 8, but we can do much more with this illustrations. Okay, so do it yourself if you think that's it should be better. One thing you can make with the egg love. Okay, so egg love, if you want to create some more funniest expressions, so here you can take this one. See, this is the whole thing, and now with the help of alt, so just this thing doubling this thing. Now no need of this tongue. Okay, sorry, here I'm creating a mess. uh, just ungrouping this one, ungroup this one. Now just here select all of this things, selecting all of this thing here, and now transform, reflect it. Okay, here after reflecting, there should be here, so not now. I think that's better. Okay, but here a problem occur. Let's need to fix this one. So here so also a problem. Okay, now I'm happy with this thing. uh, okay, now this one, and see this is a problematic part, it's occur here, so just delete this one, it's not necessary right at this moment. Okay, okay, there's an ugly looking of some areas, we need to cover this areas. So selecting this one, and now just remove this part, it's not necessary here. So our illustrations is now complete. Just and explore your creativity, try to explore your creativity. Okay, now this is okay one thing you can do. And now what I'm going to do here, just making a sharp thing here, this portions or those portions, just creating this one, no, this one, okay, just this one, just put it here with the help of this tool. Sorry, here creating a mess with the help of direct selection tool, one time alt, putting it alt, and holding it alt here, alt here. Now, yes, okay. Now nicely you can see this portions is very interesting things. Uh, can what we can do for this portions? It's just in smiling blue. Okay, uh, just take this one, no issue, and making a circle over here, circle, and now with the help of eyedropper tool, making one circle. Now with the help of this another circle, make another circle, but I need to fix this circle one before this one, and just a little bit of okay. Now it's not up to mark, so here we have got this two circle for this shadow portions. Now it's a little bit of darker, so with the help of this tool, the shape builder tool, it's very necessary and helpful thing. Now some more so one thing, this ladies type of female eye, so remember the making this female eye. So let's say like this. Sorry, here I'm creating this, selecting this one. Okay, sorry, here now we're creating this female eye, so we'll do the darker one. Now this one smooth, so check it out what happened. So I'm not happy with this, just like this. I need like this one, no, this one should be better. And now is it okay? No, it's not okay. So I need to make a like this, a strokes. Okay, so this portion, sorry, here I'm creating mess. So F5 for there's a brush tool, make a brush, and pressure sensitivity, and hue and saturated flip, no, this one. So here, check it out what happened. See, it's worked nicely. Okay, now see, this is what we need for creating this female eyes. Okay, so this is a glove group, copy, paste it, copy, paste it font, then shift and control, braces bracket, the help of braces bracket, grouping everything. Now after grouping everything, put it here, and now just like this is, put it over here. Now the time with the with this tool, sorry, I need to fix this one. Okay, okay, now let's say nice type of thing. That's a female and male character of egg. So keep watching. Till then, stay tuned and thank you for watching once again. Bye bye.